I am a Texan.
So, you are a Texan. Seems like a great job. I like what you do.
Hello, my name is Isa Willinger. I'm the director of High AI Love Stories from the Future. So I think what I was really fascinated with was the level of empathy they had. I think they were very empathetic with other humans, and that deep empathy also transferred to their robots. I think what might happen if we deal with a lot of humanoid robots in our daily lives is that we might develop this sort of kind of master-servant attitude. Something very human-like is serving me, might I lose the ability to then be empathetic about a real human being, So that is a danger. I think it could go that way. On the other hand, I think we could also develop very fine antennas to differentiate between machines and humans, even at a time when the machines will look extremely human-like. So I think it's very uncertain right now which way this might go. The most dangerous thing that we're facing is regarding a superintelligence that is not there anytime soon, but in a couple of decades there might be supercomputers that are extremely intelligent, yet they're not conscious. So we might not maybe have the ability to communicate with them properly. They might misunderstand us because we might not be able to communicate in a way the machine understands what we really want. I think that is an option because they don't have that sort of world knowledge, that sort of natural everyday knowledge that we have. And it might be very hard to communicate properly. So I think that's maybe the most worrying thing, but there's also people working on that, thankfully. And so hopefully we will be able to solve that question before we actually do have these super intelligent algorithms.
So why try to make them conscious?
I'm trying to further understand human behavior